Hello again, this is Resourceful Marcus. So this is the next part of this video on this Pancake compressor unit that I have. It's got a slight leak and I gotta find out where it's at. Take this, so we're gonna get in here, we're gonna dig into this and see what we got, okay? So I had to go and grab a ratchet and a special bit here that's called a Torx. That's called a Torx bit. All the different points on that bit. You can see that. It's called a Torx bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start loosening all these bolts. Holding the top part of this cover so I can get in here and see what's going on. Like a surgeon, gotta open her up. See what's going on. Don't be scared to take things apart. There's nothing to be scared of. Gotta do what we gotta do, and I'm trying to do what I gotta do because this little unit here, to replace this would be X number of dollars. I've had this unit about 7 years. This thing is still in mint shape. It hasn't been dropped. It hasn't been slammed around. And there's something going on here. Something's not sealed properly now, so I gotta get in here and see what's going on. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I thank you very much. I appreciate your time. We're all busy. I very much appreciate your time if you take the time to watch. Just undoing all the bolts. Get in here and see what's going on. There's one more here I didn't see. I don't know if all these bolts are the same length. Not really sure on that. I'm learning too because I've never taken this apart. I've never had to take a Pancake compressor apart at all. So I'm learning. We learn every day. We never stop learning. We learn every day of our lives as we are on a journey. And right now, this journey we are on, what we need to do is do something that makes you happy. When you're at home, do things that make you happy. If you got some type of hobby, whatever it is, sewing, painting, whatever, anything. Whatever makes you happy. Cooking. Best medicine. Do something that makes you happy. Stay focused on what you're doing. It'll make you happy, and at the same time, good for the mind, good for the health. Positivity. Take the negative energy and make it into a positive for yourself. When you're doing stuff like this, you're focused on what you're doing. And that's a good thing. What else is holding this cover? There's something else holding it. I'm not really sure. here. That's what happened. That's what's going on. Forgot a bolt back in this area. So on this cover there is 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 Torx bolts. That's what they're called, Torx. It's a special bit. It's called a Torx bit. It's like a pointy star. Alright. Get this out without breaking it. Not really sure what I'm going to have to use to fix this. I'll figure that out once I get this cover off and I can see what the heck's going on here. Just trying to keep those bolts so I don't lose any of them. Alright. Belt's got a little... Huh. That belt's gonna probably break eventually, and I'm gonna have to figure out the size of that little belt. Drives the piston. Huh.